Hi guys, today we're going to fix the mirror or inverted video issue in WhatsApp. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where we'll adjust the camera settings that are causing the mirrored effect. Just tap on Settings, and once it opens, we'll move to the next step. Now scroll down a little until you find the camera option. It's usually somewhere in the middle of the settings list. Once you see it, tap on Camera because the mirror issue is actually connected to your front camera settings. After opening camera settings, scroll down again until you see the composition section. There you'll find an option called Mirror Front Camera. If it's turned on, that's the reason your video looks inverted. Simply toggle it off, and that will stop your camera from flipping the image. Once you've turned off the Mirror Front Camera option, the last step is to restart your device. This helps apply the new settings properly. After your phone turns back on, open WhatsApp and start a video call. Your camera should now appear normal and no longer inverted. So that's how you can easily fix the mirror or inverted video call issue in WhatsApp. It only takes a few minutes and your video will look completely normal again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below if it worked for you. I'll see you in the next video.